Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, steel wheels, LED headlights, wheel covers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.